Hi everyone. So today let's focus on the endings of Kalpanaswarams, specifically second speed and 5 and 6 note patterns. We will pick songs across talams and try some simple Kalpanaswaram patterns. Let's start with Adi Talam, which is familiar to all of us. And the song I've picked is Samaja Varagamana in Hindolam. I find that many students are great at building Kalpanaswarams but tend to fumble towards the end. Sam Samajavara Samajavara Gamadani Damagadama Magagasani Samajavara Gamadani Sani Damaga Gamadamaga Samajavara Magadamani da Sani Magasa Sani Damaga Samaja. So the ending I want you guys to work towards is Tadinginatum Samajavara. And for many students, this Tadinginatum, which starts 3/4 into the second Dhritam, Tadinginatum, can be a bit challenging. If you are totally new to this 5 singing, I would suggest you do Tam, Tadinginatum, or Tatam, Tadinginatum. I will illustrate both. Samajavara Gamadani Sani Damaga Dama Gamadamaga Samaja. So that was Ma Gamadamaga Tam Tadinginatum, like that. Samajavara Gamadani Madani Saga Sanida Sanida Maga Sa. So this was Nida Sarida Maga Tatam Tadinginatum. So if we have an ending like this, and you can even write out 10 or 20 such endings and practice each of them, like maybe 5 Kalpanaswarams for each ending, it gives a lot of confidence so that we can, sort of plug and play with any ending depending on the context. Try a bunch of endings. The only constraint here for you is it should be a 5-note pattern. So if you overshoot the talam, sing one more avartanam and try to end with a 5-note pattern.
Sani da mama ni da maga mada maga sani da maga samaja samaja gamadani saga maga sani dani sa sani da maga samaja.
Become more alert towards the end of the first dhritam and try to do a tam tadinginatu.
Madani sa sani da maga ma mani da maga samaja.
And the next exercise is we will do the same thing. So rhythmically we are not changing anything. Melodically, let's try to end with a swaram that is different from ga. So far we have been ending most of our kalpana swarams in ga. So same tadinginatum. You can be very creative, like my guru Lalgudi sir used to do this a lot. Gazama gada samajavara gamana Sakamadani Samaja, where we change the beginning of Samaja Varagamana itself. So far all the Kalpanaswarams we had a very plain start. Samaja Sagamada Samaja. You can sing some Sangati for the Samaja Varagamana and end in another note. Sani ga sani da ma sani da ma ga samajavara. So I'll sing some different start points. Samaja. Here that samaja is in the lower shadjam. Samajavara gamana. Sani da ma ga samajavara gamana. Ma gamadani da samajavara gamana sa gamadani samajavara. So 3 different sangatis we had. Gamani da madani da mani da ni da maga samaja gamadani samaga sani ga sani da maga mani da maga
samaja Madani dani sani dani ramaga mada maga maga samaja మద మగ మద మదని సద మగ మద సమజ సమజ మా మగ మద మా మగ మద మగ మా మగ స గ మా మగ స ని దని స సా స దని స ని సమజ
సమజ సగ సమ సద సని స సని ద మగ సమజ. One tip is for everybody in general, if you miss the beat for any reason, right, don't stop the talam, because this is something like my guru used to keep reminding us all the time, like never to stop the talam while singing Kalpana Swarams, because if you get into that habit while practicing at home, stage performance becomes a lot easier. I would even recommend, like nowadays we have these apps, right, that keep the talam. So for Kalpana Swaram singing, you can use one of those apps.
ni sa ni ni sa ni ga sa ni sa da ni ma da ga ma sa ni da ma ga sa sa ni da ma ga sa ma ja.
Okay, so now let's sing from the higher shadjam. Samaja. Tweak it a bit, since everybody has done a lot of fives now. We'll try to do six. Sakamadani. So it is Tadinginato Samaja. We are starting Samaja Varagamana in the higher shadjam. So we can end the Kalpana Swaram in the Nishadam. Sakamadani Samaja or Madani Saga Samaja. Either ending in the previous or the succeeding note will sound good. And again, the same thing holds. If you find starting directly in Aredam to be challenging, you can do Tadinginatum. Earlier we had 3 plus 5. Now it will become 2 plus 6. Splitting of the last dhrutam of 8 can be altered this way to keep it easier. Samaja Kamadani Damani Damada Damagamada Magasa Sakamadani Samaja Nisa Kamadasa Nisa Kasani Gasani Nisa Sani Damadani. So I did Nisa Sani Damadani Taka Dimi Taka Samaja Magamani Damagadani Sagamadasani Sa Nida Madani Samaja. So I did Sa Nida Madani Tam Tadin Ginato Samaja Magadamani Dasani Gasama Magasani Dama Gama Madani Samaja Gama Madani Tam Tadin Ginato Samaja. Split the 6 in any way you want. Dani Sani Saga Takita. That was 3 plus 3. Magama Dani Sa. That was Tam Takadimi. So the 6 can be split in so many different ways, and it just requires a presence of mind, and that can be developed over time. Go ahead and try 6 note ending such that you can link to the male shadjam.
Samaja Daga Mada Daga Mada Mada Madani Madani Sanida Madasani Dama Maga Mada Dama Maga 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 Sanida Madani Samaja.
So just another thing to bear in mind is when you have a prefix 5 or 6, start it with a bang. Then only everybody else who's part of your show will understand what you're doing. Mentioned one more time, you can do all 6 as single notes. Ma ga ma da ni sa ga sa ma ja. And then you can, so that was tam taka dimi taka. Next one is ma da ni sa ma ga sa ma ja. So that was tam tadinginatum sa ma ja. Then you can do takita samaja varagamana gamada madani samaja varagadani. So it can be deemta samaja varagamana. So we can show a lot of creativity within these 6 note endings.
Samaja Sagama Gamada Madani Danisa Sagama Danisa.
Very good. Let's switch to Rupagam. We will do Isha Pahimam in Kalyani. So it's a Tyagaraja Kriti. starts in Samam, for those who don't know it or who are unfamiliar with it. Isha pahi mam, Jagadisha pahi mam, Gama badani Isha pahi mam, Gama dani Isha pahi mam, Gama dani Isha pahi mam, Dani sarigi shapai ma, ni gari ni shapai ma, Dani sarigi shapai ma, Sani da bamai shapai. So you can link it to other swaram endings also, instead of only doing the nishadam and the higher rishabam. If you end up with some other 5-note pattern, just drag that isha pahimam to that. So again, it is the same thing. 5 notes. If you want, you can do ga ma padani shapahima pa ma padani shapahima sa sani padani shapahima. If you want to anchor with a tam tadingedatam, you can do it that way, or you can directly take the 5.
Shapahima Gama Padani Shapahima Gama Padani Shapahi Gama Dani Shapahima Sasani Padani Shapahima Pama Padani Shapahima.
Kalyani being a Sampurna Ragam, we can do a lot of different ending patterns which bring out the bhavam of the Ragam beautifully just using the 5s.
Ma pa ba ba ma ba da ni da ba ma ba da ni da ni za ni da da ni ga ri za ni da ni ri za ni da ni ri ni da ba ma ga ma ni da ba ma ba da ni za ba da ni ri pa ni ba da ni Isha pahi mam Sari gari sa ni ri za ni da sa ni da ba da ni sa Sani padani shapahi mam.
2 tips I wanted to share. One is generally when we sing Kalpana Swarams, we tend to get a bit excited and we tend to sing fast, and sometimes that acts as a bottleneck for the manodharmam or the creative aspects. And second thing is, as you sing longer Kalpana Swarams, remember to give pauses. This is something again my guru used to keep reminding us a lot. Like when you listen to kacheris, right, what makes a big difference between a professional and an amateur singing is when you hear these professionals, they actually take their time between the phrases and give pauses, especially in the longer Kalpana Swaram.
Isha pahi mam Gama pa 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 ma gama pa da 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 ma da ni da 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 Gama pa ma pa da ni da ni sa 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 ni da ni sa 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 ni da ni gari gari sa ni da ga gari ri sa sa ni da ni sa ri ga ma gari gari sa ri sa da ga ri sa sa ni pa da ni shapahi ma shapahi ma Gama pa da ni shapahi ma Gama pada ni sa ni da pa ma shapahi ma
Tam tadingina pa gama padani or sa ni padani. In Kalyani, sani padani will also be good, or sa ni da padani or sa ni da madani. Many different patterns can be tried. So keep pa or sa as an anchor from the second beat of the avartanam and then do the 5.
Shapahi ma sa sa ni padani shapahi ma ma pa pa ma pa da pa ma da pa ma ga 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 ma pa ma pa da ni ధని సా ని సరి గరి సని సా ని సని ధని సని ద పద ని ద ప మ ప సా సని పద ని ష ప హి మా.
Something which ends in the higher octave. Ga ma da ni ri or ni sa ri ga sha pa hi ma.
Ni sa ni ni sa ni ri sa ni ri sa da ni ma da ga ma da ni sa ga ma da ni ri sha pa hi ma.
ईश पाहि मां गमपदनि ईश पाहि मां गरि सनि रि ईश पाहि मां पदनि सरि ईश पाहि मां सरि गरि गम गम प म पद पदनि దని सा गरि सनि धरि सनि द प सनि पदनि ईश पाहि मां.
To do a longer one.
Yeah.
Pa 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 ma pa da da pa pa ma pa da pa ma pa da pa ma da pa ma pa ga pa ma pa da ni da da pa ma pa da ni da pa ma pa ni da ni ma ni da da pa ga pa ga ni da pa ga sa ni da pa ma ga 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 ma ma da da ni sa ni da pa ma pa da sa ni pa da ni sha. So giving some pauses and focusing around a few notes will give you room for more ideas. Paridhanam ichite. So sari ga pa da sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa paridhanam ichite. So with Kanda Chapu it becomes 4-2-4. That is how the talam is structured. Takadimi, takadimi. So when we are doing second speed, we need to be quite alert. It will sound beautiful to do the 5, where you do kadinginato exactly halfway into the avartanam, because you can split that takadimi, takadimi. The talam is structured as 4 plus 2 plus 4, totaling 10 aksharas in a cycle of Kanda Chapu in second speed. Instead of doing 4 plus 2 plus 4, we can split it beautifully into 5 plus 5. So tadingenato. So one trick. So always with Kalpana Swarams, we can simplify our lives when we spend some time thinking about the structure of that avartanam as well as the starting point or edupu of the song. Here the edupu is very straightforward, samam. They only chosen samam for today's session. Instead of complicating our lives by trying to start in the middle somewhere, you can beautifully think of the 10 as 5 plus 5. So if you want to end with a 5, you just add one more 5. Tapa magari sa sari ga paridana. So I did tadinginato paridana. Sari ga pa maga sari ga parida. I want the 5 ultimately, but instead of striking it as a 5 alone, if I do 5 plus 5, pa magari sari ga pa da paridana. Taba magari ga pa da sani paridana. Sari ga pa maga sari ga paridana. Sari ga pa maga sari ga paridana. Sari ga pa da magari ga paridana. So think of it as 5 plus 5.
Paridana. Taba magari sa sari ga paridana. Taba magari ga sari ga paridana. Pada sani taba magari ga paridana. Sani taba maga sari ga paridana. Nina pada pa magari ga pa magari sa sari ga paridana.
Pa 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 da da pa magari ga pa ma magari da ni da sa re ga pa da ri sa ni da pa ni da pa ma ga sa re ga pa ri da. So here I did pa ni da pa ma ga sa re ga pa ri da ga pa da 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 pa magari ga pa da sa ni da sa ni pa da sa ni da pa magari ga pa da ri sa ni da pada sari ga da da sari ga ma 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 ga ga ri ri sa sa ni ni da pa da sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga pa ma ga ri ga pa ma ga ri sa ri ga da pa ma ga ri sa ri ga pa ri da. So I did pa ma ga ri sa ri ga pa ri da. That was again a 5 plus 5.
Pa ma ga ri sa ri ga pa ri da na. Sa ni da pa ma ga ri pa ri da na. Ga ri sa ni da pa ma ga ri ga pa ri da na.
Paridana sari ga pa ma ga sari ga paridana pa pa ma ga ri sa sari ga paridana sa ni da pa ma ga sari ga paridana paridana na sa pa da sa ga pa da sa ni da pa ma ga ri paridana.
Fix the 5 and then try to sing something free flowing and end it with one of these patterns.
Paridana sari ga pa pa ma ga ri ga paridana ga ri sa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma ga ri ga paridana.
I'll give you some small homework to try. One is go back to Adi Talam, try the same 5 and 6 for other Eduppu. To give an example, we have so many beautiful kritis with this takka dimi takka Eduppu, like parat parat pada ni da pa ma ga re ga ma pa ni da da pa ma ba ra. So tadingina to parat parat pada ni sa ri ga ri sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa da para. Have this Eduppu which is 1.5 beats into the cycle, what is sometimes referred to as Deshadi. Many Tyagaraja kritis are also there. If you are more familiar with Tyagaraja kritis, Bantu Riti for example. Bantu Riti ma re ma ba ma re sa re ma pa re sa re ma Bantu Riti. Trying 5-note patterns for such endings will be very interesting. You just start after the beat in Kaladam. Same Adi Talam Arayadam Gaja Vadana Gamadani sari gamagari sani dani nida madani gaja vadana nida magare gamadani sari gamagari sa nida madani gaja vadana gamadani sari gamari gazari nisa gamadani ri gaja vadana. So it is tadinginatum gaja vadana. Then you do Mukaladam. If you take Vasudevayani Ragatala Gatulanu Padu. It's sometimes in the middle of the song you will find one Mukaladam. Padani Ragatala. So Gama Padani Ragatala. Takatadinginatum Rag. Because you will have 3 swarams from the Samam. Gama Dani Ragatala. Ni sari gari ri sani dari sani da pa ma ga ma da ni ri ragata. So you will do tam ta dingina tum ragata. So pa ma ba da ni sari gari sa sani pa da ni sari gari ma gari sani da gari ma gari sani da ni gari sa sani pa da ni ragata. So this Mukaladam is very challenging. So Mishra Chapu again Kaila Samaya Dari Gama Maga Pada Pada Sari Gama Garisa Nidama Pada Kaila Pada Sari Da Padari Nida Pada Magarisa Nida Magama Pada Kaila Dasari Gama Gamari Gazari Dagari Magarisa Nida Magasa Sari Gama Maga Magama Pada Kaila. The main thing is to be disciplined and only focus on 5 and 6 note endings. Getting strong at 5 and 6 notes will give us a lot more confidence to sing in a performance. So with that, let's wind up for today.